Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm wearing glasses for this video because I'm taking a contact video. Karen is back! We're driving RC cars in the desert again. Let's go. Anyways guys, Noah's Big Rock got fixed. Talon has his arm at Outcast. And then Kai has his RC car. I forgot the name of it. Sorry Kai. X-Max. But yeah guys, we are about to get this video underway. First RC car video on the ramps in a while. So yeah guys, last time we did this was in the summer. A lot more heavenly because we're wearing jackets and pants. Long pants. So yeah guys, filming with CTK Productions again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Look at this. Glue. You broke the GoPro already.
I was expecting that to happen.
Way earlier.
Actually,
What?
I thought I'd break it right away.
Oh my. Is it okay?
Oh my gosh.
Hello?
Make sure you guys don't hit my phone.
There you go. That's an imprint. It's got an imprint on it and everything, guys.
The battery fell out also.
Oh my gosh.
Natural.
Oh! Dibs. Guys. Huh. Alright. If any of you guys ever come down here, that is yours to keep. A glue imprint from an RC car. Oh!
Oh, the light bulb fell
Don't hit my
out.
phone.
And the craziest driver of the day goes to Talon. I'm just kidding. These guys haven't even turned on their RC cars. I wish I had a powerful RC car, but no. I'm broke. Oh. That was. Whoa. Kai's RC car sounded like broken when he had that twig stuck in it.
Oh yeah, dude.
Wind up toy. He's got the painting tape right here, strapped to his water bottle.
Yeah, it's
Kai, remember when you almost broke your phone?
mine's recording. What?
Remember when your phone fell off and you broke it? Noah's got his GoPro on there. Similar to mine, it just has the gray font. Oh no! Well, good thing the GoPro wasn't on there.
I think the GoPro is fine.
Dude, what's your problem?
Anyways, don't pay any attention to that. Hope you're enjoying the video. That like button, hope you pressed it. If you don't. Alright guys, they just worked it out.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's exactly what happened to mine. Watch this.
Guys, watch
Oh,
out.
no, Talon, you flipped and then it just broke off.
Watch out.
B!
Watch out. Yeah.
Shiny! Oh my god.
Fix your trim, maybe.
Oh!
My RC car!
Right, guys! Oh, it's fine. Hey! I'm gonna take that to court, buddy.
Oh, it's
Is it dying? Oh, you're just not pulling it. Oh. Sick. Ooh, body armor.
Alright, guys, we're gonna move this.
Wait, that's not body armor. That might be an adult beverage. Oh, wow. We might record somewhere also, so we're not. Guys, these things are crazy. Can't believe that. These are just right outside of where I live. I didn't find it until probably like 6 years ago on a bike ride. And then I actually jumped on that very big one, the very last one in the back. And yeah, eventually I'm at Cotton Talon, and now we're out here jumping RC cars out here. Don't jump bikes anymore. I don't know why I'm talking like that, guys. I'm not deleting the channel. I keep jumping it off the back.
They're friends. Which one do you like better?
I like the shell on this one. I remember when the Big Rock was like the most powerful one.
Yours kind of a little different than mine does. Yeah. There's a good jump over there. Yeah.
All the dirt keeps getting kicked up over here. So much excess dirt. What?
You guys want to go somewhere else so we don't break the RC cars?
You're not gonna break it.
Like my homemade tripod. Talon, you want to go somewhere else so we don't break these?
Oh shit. Oh my god.
No.
You know,
You guys, you want
it's a lot better out here, not at Riverfront, because there's usually kids that like to just come over here and chase RC cars. It's not the best thing because we don't get to have fun. But yeah, oh, my camera is dirty. I'm just gonna cut real quick, you guys. I don't know how dirty the camera is on here or how bad it's gonna be on here. My camera was dirty when I went to NASCAR, and I don't want that to happen again.
Nothing's bent so far.
Okay.
What's up? Wait, did you know that we're gonna be here?
Well, well, well. What are you two doing?
We're going somewhere else. We might go to the wash.
Because it's way too like crazy here.
I don't want to break them. Again. These things are sick.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Talons is the only one that's active.
Hey, Talon, we're gonna go on the wash. How do you know we're here?
Do you want me to turn mine off?
Look at the shocks. The shocks on here are crazy.
Oh, gosh. Mom was like, no, Renato's not here. I'm like, then what's the hustle? We're playing basketball.
Hey guys, it's actually crazy how many people are at Riverfront. Hopefully I get a shot of it, but like, I swear, there's so many people down there. They're actually parking in my neighborhood, which is right across the street from there. It is crazy. Like, somebody tripped there. Why are you guys all quiet? Crazy people. Alright guys, we're gonna head over to the wash because they don't want to break their RC cars. So, yeah, we'll see you there. Alright guys, sorry if the camera is very shaky. I'm carrying Noah's stuff, so stuff's very heavy. Drive! Fright of my life! Fright of my life, you guys. You should get like a backpack.
What?
No, you need like a backpack to carry stuff in, and then just get like
Yeah, where's your duffel bag at, Noah? Where's your duffel bag? Yeah.
those like really strong stuff that like can carry like everything.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, it's very hard for me to carry this camera.
Honestly, Houston doesn't have
Oh my gosh.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, this guy's gonna turn off the patty. You guys just missed an epic barrel roll. Sorry, I didn't. Camera. Towns is going to.
You too?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'll just pick mine up.
Yeah, most of all the batteries.
Alright, guys. Noah, you gonna turn yours off?
Yeah.
Guys, the moss!
Hey, Tom, what we're gonna do is we're not gonna drive past you. We'll just drive.
No, that's the whole point.
Yeah, bike.
Wait a minute. Alright guys, you can see, you can hear the bike road. It's just behind me. But that's Riverfront right behind there. I think you can see the cars back there, but there are so many people down there. They have bouncy castles, they have food places down there, all that stuff. It is like a soccer game, or a football game. They're driving on the road. Kai was losing it because he wanted them to go slow because of this, because there's so many bikers out here. But here's the thing, Kai. This is a bike road. It's a road. You're supposed to drive on roads. I'm gonna get fired. I don't know. Anyways, guys. RC Carter. Everyone says I'm going crazy, you guys, so I'm coming down. Like I was saying, you guys, I'm leaving. I'm leaving the mosque. Goodbye, mouse. Yeah, guys, they're leaving me. So I ran back here. Going like fastest man in the world.
We're going back.
See, Kai's scared that he's gonna get yelled at by people and get the cops called on him.
Yeah, there.
It's a bike route.
You're not the boss, bro. Get out of here.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, no.
But still.
I'm the boss here, and we're going.
How are you the boss?
Because I have the biggest YouTube channel.
Oh, that's how we're determining things now?
Yeah, and you don't. Wait, was it that one? You're walking across the back forth on the bike road. I'm not doing.
By YouTube subscribers.
Yeah. Shut up.
How about we do it by age? How about we do it by the age of the YouTube channel?
Mine's way longer. I had
Shortest age.
2017. I have had mine since 2017.
Yeah, I know that. 7 years old.
I'm not getting the cops called on me. This is just stressful.
You're not gonna get the cops called on you.
Cut the camera.
Oh, sorry guys, just had a freak out. They're still down there.
Oh, them.
Them.
The things. Football players.
The midgets.
Or football players.
Sweet.
I still think they're soccer players.
Bro, look at that bouncy castle. It's just sideways. Look at Noah just burning it down right here.
This thing's so hard to control and just like that. Oh my gosh. Why is that thing so overwhelming?
Bro, why are they playing Carrie Underwood? I gotta hot like a truck. I gotta hot like a truck. What kind of truck? 1998 Tacoma?
Oh shoot.
Oh. Collision. How to put this? Oh. Oh my gosh. Kai, you're a madman. Kai, you're driving like you're drunk. Not that I know what it feels like. Guys, collision. grass. There's gonna be grass everywhere in the ESC. It's just gonna be killed. These guys are finally back. Took them like 30 minutes. And I thought I was gonna do just a normal biking video today. Why are all these stupid cars parked right here? This is dumb.
Watch out, watch out.
Bad in my life.
No, pause it right there. Pause it right there. These kids are practicing.
All right, go to Naranja.
No, stop. They're practicing, stop.
All right, let's go to Naranja.
Alright, just drive it back.
There's so much grass in there. Across the road, cotton candy. Cotton candy and shaved ice. Oh yes, please. No, it smells great. Oh my. Look at all the kids. They're just like, what? Wow. No way, is that an Arma Big Rock? I live for Arma Big Rocks. Where's Talon? Talon's back. CTK shorts. Talon, are you going to revive CTK shorts?
No,
Why?
it's Talon Young now. Hey, that grass is open right there. Hi.
Hi.
Grass is open right there.
Guys, this thing is huge.
It is.
Like, I obviously have the size 40 Crocs. Obviously, this thing just lives for wheelies, huh? Wheelie. I'm actually surprised Cooper isn't here.
Is he a soccer player or football
He
player?
plays like 5 sports.
He's probably playing football then. He looks like a football player.
He is. Like, he plays. Like, his parents.
Your motor on.
Noah. Come on. Come on, Big Rock. Hang on. Empty that. Oh my
You gotta
god.
pull out this bolt, grab these two, and pull this out.
Wait, do we have any tools at all, Kai?
Because it takes out the spur gear right here.
What?
Holy crap, dude. That's
Kai, do
not
we have
good.
any tools at all for that?
Oh. Dude, that is not good.
What? I don't even
So
know
you're-
what happened.
You stripped your gears, dude. You can't drive.
Dang.
Oh. No, it's out of, the motor's unloosened. It's not stripped. So don't drive it anymore. You will strip your gears.
Oh yeah, your motor's loose.
So you just need to. You can have your dad help you out.
yeah,
Yeah, your motor's.
Guys, the
you
motor
wanna
was
do-
making
you take
crazy
this thing out,
sounds. Like, it was.
You have to.
Sounded like it was revving and the
hold
engine was
this
about to,
thing,
like,
this right
completely
tab
blow
here,
out. So,
and then pull it
um,
out. And then I've done it before. And then you also pull this right here, and you have to take a couple screws off. But it's something you have to do at home.
oh, fire truck's coming.
What?
Fire truck's coming.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Can I get pull the what's the back wheel?
Tom. Guys, the fire truck's coming to extinguish his RC car.
Okay.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thing on his brakes.
Hey guys, I have purchased RC cars, not that expensive because I know what's gonna happen. I buy $100 ones and I know they're crappy because they're $100. Not really much you can do with $100. Fire trucks here. Guys, I'm gonna go get in that fire truck. I'm gonna get in the fire truck, you guys. If they let me. I think they'll let me because of my glasses. But guys, nose motor, not good. No, did you get that fixed yesterday?
Huh?
When did you get that fixed?
Yesterday. But I don't know what's happening.
Guys, his wheel fell off in the summer and then he just got it fixed yesterday and now it's broken. So, yeah. Everyone just pray for Noah's RC car that we get to see it again. So, yeah.
Where's my bag?
Alright guys, I'm on my bike right now. We cut the video short because we went back to Riverfront to go play some basketball. So, yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll probably do a biking video soon. So, yeah, just keep looking out for that, guys. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get up this hill right now. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It is crazy right now. So, hey guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.